Fresh smash burgers, served hot, right here in New York City. Hey y'all, today Chef Snowpaw shows you the ultimate smash burger.
Here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe.
Let's get everything organized before we start cooking, y'all. Special sauce starts with mayo and ketchup, right in.
Mustard, minced pickles, garlic powder mons. Shred your iceberg lettuce fresh, crispy, and cold is best.
Loose beef ball, 8 ounces. Salt and black pepper on top soup. Season it right now. Brioche bun face down in that butter hull. Golden brown perfection right there. Beef ball goes on the hot griddle van. Get ready, y'all. Smash it down hard, hold it. Those edges are everything. Look at that smash, yeah, lacy edges, perfect crust. Season the top before the flips lay out. Salt and pepper, always. Spatula low, 1 clean flip. Look at that beautiful crust. First slice of American cheese goes right on. Watch it melt. Dome it and add steam. 10 seconds for perfect melted cheese. Oh yes, look at that perfect cheese melt right there. Special sauce on the bottom bun fare. Spread it all the way. Shredded iceberg and onion rings. Yeah, layered fresh and crispy, y'all. 3 to 4 dill pickle chips, right on top. Perfect. Smash patty goes right on top. Look at that cheese drip.
Sauce on the top bun, press it down nice and gentle. The ultimate smash burger, pulkere, made fresh in Chef Snowpaw's kitchen.
2 more smash burgers at once. Dow, Chef Snowpaw is in full gear.
3 ultimate smash burgers in pluff, fresh, perfect, and ready to serve. America Boo, your ultimate smash burger is ready.
Crispy Southern fried chicken, AFED. Buttermilk brined, double dredged, fried to golden perfection.
Buttermilk brined, double dredged.
Hey y'all, today Chef Snowpaw shows you crispy Southern fried chicken from scratch. Here are every single ingredient you need for this recipe. Let's get everything organized and ready before we start cooking today. Buttermilk and hot sauce together pillow. This brine is our secret weapon. Chicken goes into the buttermilk brine, refrigerate overnight for maximum flavor. First dredge in seasoned flour aioli. Press it in firmly on every side. Every single piece gets double dredged. Look at those gorgeous coatings. Second dredge, press and pinch that flour to build the crust. Let the dredged chicken rest 15 minutes, however, the coating sets perfectly. Peanut oil in the Dutch oven, Fima, we say we need it at 350 degrees. 350 degrees, rise. That oil is perfectly ready to fry. Chicken goes into the hot oil. Oh, listen to that beautiful sizzle. Fry for 7 minutes per side. Do not rush this process, y'all. Halfway through, flip it over. Oh, look at that golden color. Second batch in it. Keep that oil temperature steady at 350. Out of the oil, look at that absolutely perfect golden crust. Fire rack keeps it crispy, seasoned with salt right out of the oil. Honey butter dipping sauce mozo. the perfect partner for this fried chicken. Plate it beautifully, like golden, craggy, and absolutely stunning, every single piece. Smoked paprika, honey butter drizzle, lemon wedges, avocado dough, the perfect restaurant presentation. 3 perfect servings of crispy Southern fried chicken. Ready, America!
Honey butter drizzle on that.
Oh my goodness, that crunch, that juicy chicken inside. Perfect.
That crunch. Buttermilk brined, double dredged, fried to golden perfection.
Crispy Southern fried chicken, buttermilk brined, double dredged, made with love just for you, America. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.